Hello guys, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make homemade squishies. So these are the ingredients. So you're going to need any kind of paint. Acrylic paint actually does work if you're making homemade. If you're redecorating, then acrylic paint, you would not use that because it would just peel off. So we can use any kind of paint. Sharp scissors. Memory foam. I would use the thick kind. I like that kind better. And popsicle sticks. So I'm not actually going to show the result of this one. I might show it in my next video. So I'm just going to show you guys the ones that I've already made. I've made two already. I made this watermelon, which was the first one I made. They're actually really squishy. And then I also made this ice cream sandwich, which I just finished. They're very satisfying. So let's get started. So I have this piece of memory foam. And I'm just going to find something over in this thing. I had like a random thing over there. Like a shape of foods. I'm just going to find one that fits inside in this. This one kind of does. So I'm going to put the camera down more so you guys can see. So this one's kind of that shape, but I'm trying to think of what food I should make. It doesn't actually have to be a food, I just realized. This is taken. So this is the first one I made. Let me see. Squeezing. Yeah, there's not really that many foods that I have over there to trace. There's a fly over here. Okay, I'm gonna just make a circle. So I'm just gonna. Yeah, when I was making this, I had a leftover piece of scraps, and I just made that. So I'm gonna keep my scraps in just in case. Okay, so. Okay, that's not circular at all. Well, kind of. So I'm not gonna make a perfect shape because let's get like tiny cuts. So around the corners a little bit. This is just getting progressively smaller and smaller, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna cut off this top part because it's not even with the back. So now I have this kind of circular shape, pretty squishy. So I'm gonna try to make. What is circular that would be easy to make? A little bit squishy. Ooh, I know what I could do. So I'm just gonna cut out the middle. I'm gonna make a donut or a bagel. Oh no, I want a donut. Well, no, because I can't do that. Because this is way too small to make a hole in. There wouldn't really be the color, the painting involved. I have no idea. This is very stressing to try to do this. Trying to think of ideas for this weird thing. How about, yeah, I know what I can make. I'm going to make a peach. So let's just cut. So I'm going to cut the shape into a peach kind of thing. That's kind of peach. And it has some markings on it, but I can still get rid of those when I paint it. So if there's any cutting marks, then I'm just going to peel them off. There, that's pretty good. So now what you're going to do is you're going to get your popsicle stick. If you already painted with it, I would just wait till it's dry if it's not dry already. So I'm going to get this. So I have to make a peach. So I'm going to get some. I'm going to mix some colors. So this I already ruined. So I'm just going to put the paint on top of this. It's horrible. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to just put some paint on top. And I'm going to mix some colors. So I'm going to get this color right here, if it's not dried out. let me see. Let me use a popsicle stick. Oh, geez. Yep, that's very dry. It's hard to get it through. It's like dry, kind of dried up Play-Doh. It's also kind of hard to close. So I'm gonna get some acrylic paint that I have in the back. And I already have yellow right here. I'm gonna see if the yellow is still good. Yep, the yellow's good. Look, this kind of paint, like the brown, it's just like cream cheese. Look how chunky that is. But it still works really good for this one. So yeah, the yellow is still, it's like cream. All these are like in very weird shape. So I'm gonna get some orange, and I'm just gonna see what the orange and this creamy yellow would look like. So let me turn my stick and just take some yellow, put it in there, and now just mix it. See what that makes. If I like just once, oh wait, that actually looks good. Yeah, I like this color. So I'm gonna get some on a popsicle stick. Get this. I'm just going to start spreading it on here. It kind of looks yellow. It looks like really yellow right now. So I just realized that. So I'm gonna put more orange in this. I'm gonna mix it now. Now let's put some on. It's kind of changing a little bit to like a peachy kind of thing. So I'm going to skeet this away. There's so many flies in where I'm at right now. So let's just spread everywhere. That's what the color looks like so far. Let's position them in. Okay. So I'm going to get some more paint right here and just paint all in here. Everywhere. It's kind of a weird color now. I just realized that. Put the camera more down. Let's clear my space a little bit. Let's get my paint palette. Okay, paint palette, got that, and now I'm going to get more yellow, it's creamy yellow, and just put more creamy yellow on there. Now let's start painting more yellow because this is actually turning all orange again. Not again, just... Yeah, I like this blend, but I'm not putting enough of each. So I'm going to put like 2 drops of orange. 3 drops of orange. And I'm going to... It smells weird. Now I'm going to get some yellow. Just mix this in. Cool shade, and let's just paint the top again. So you're going to be painting all the sides, well, of whatever you're making. I'm just going to be making a peach. So I'm going to be spreading. I'm going to need way more paint. What should I use? Because this is not all going to fit. Ooh, I found something. These little... Oh, wait, that one's not on that. These little pizza slices I have, they're made out of plastic, have a little thing, and they're already messed up because I painted on them. So, I'm just going to put my paint in here. Now put some yellow in here. Oh, the yellow's not coming off. Go down there. There. Now this is turning into clumpy orange. Oh, this is really orange. Okay, I'm going to need more yellow because this is like all orange right now. Okay, this is like really hard to mix. Okay, that should be good. Let's put my clumpy orange on there. Jeez. This is like really clumpy. paint that I'm using is very, very clumpy. Okay, let's get more paint. The flies are everywhere. Okay, let's. Ugh. Okay. I wish that they didn't think that the paint was food. Okay. Oh, jeez, my nose keeps itching. Let's get more paint and just keep rubbing. This paint is actually coming out pretty good. I like the shade. Oh, I got another itch. Okay, there. Oh, jeez. Did I get paint on my face? No? Okay. The stick just hit me. I thought I had paint on it. Okay, just cover. Most of this green because the memory foam I'm using is green. And now oh jeez. Let's put that. This table is already super messed up, so it doesn't really matter if it gets even more, if it gets like little paint splotches. This is like my painting table, so, and my slime making table. I've made some videos on this table. And now there's not that much left. I'm like scraping from the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna get more yellow and put it in the orange because there's plenty orange left. Well, kind of a lot. Just trying to scrape the bottom. Okay. There. I got the table like really doing it. Oh, this hurts my back doing it. Okay, let's scrape more from the bottom and just paint this whole entire thing. There. Just get the rest. There's this little splotch on the side. Well, not really little, but there's one more spot. Since all these paints that are pretty much still in contact or still pretty good, they're all clumpy, so I only have to do one coat pretty much. So let me get more yellow paint. Okay, now I'm going back to yellow with a cool shade again. And now let's just go like that. Oh, my hands are getting dirty. Now, just paint this giant glob on here. Okay, let's get more. Oh, jeez, my hands. Ugh. This is very, very painty. There's a load of paint on it. I'm doing more than one coat on this. Well, like, not like dried coats, but good coats. I'm about to run out of yellow, so I'll just have to use orange. Just scrape. This is running out fast. Let's get the sides on here. Now I'm going to get some orange because I'm almost out. And just start getting some orange and painting this last little splotch that I haven't got. There, now I have the whole thing painted. Ugh. So after it's pretty much painted, you don't really have to do anything unless you want to do like little details, which I want to do. So I'm gonna get a dried part of the not toothpick, the pick thing, stick, and just get a little bit of black. I'm gonna try to put a little face on it. I'm not good at painting faces. I'm good at drawing them, just not painting. But this is actually coming out good. Well, it's not actually coming out good. Just coming out like the best one I've ever done with paint. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I was just checking the camera. Does it went black? Okay, let's oh geez, that was too much paint. Well, kind of wasn't because I have this mouse is like, oh no, it touched the eye. Separate. No! It doesn't even look like a face anymore. I thought this was gonna turn out good. So I'm gonna get my this one again. Just paint over that black. Let me rub the black so it's geez, what have I done? Is it not looking good? No, it's not painting over the black. So this actually does work if you paint it. If you paint it correctly, then it turns out good. I promise. Because you saw my other ones that I made. Okay, jeez. Oh no, this is so dirty. Okay guys, so that's pretty much the end of the video. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, put post notifications on. Put post notifications on so you never miss a video. If I get 20 likes on this video, then I'll do something you guys suggest. If I get 10 subscribers, then I'll do something you guys suggest. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.